Hello and welcome to Orlando, Florida. We're on the floor of the Expo Hall here at Ignite 2018, and we're very happy to announce our brand new product, tyGraph for Teams. My name is Dean Swan, I'm the Director of Product, and I'm here with John White, our Chief Technology Officer. John, tell us a little bit about the uptake of Teams.
I think Teams is really a game changer out in the world today. We're getting our customers asking us quite frequently, when can they have the same level of analytics that they have for Yammer, or we have available for Yammer, and have had for a number of years. Well, I'm happy to say that now we've been able to go at the same sort of data behind Teams that we've been able to for the Yammer product, and bring a product with that level of maturity to the market right away.
Yeah, that's great. And why don't we just jump in and show you a couple things with the product. Now, what's important is this notion of teams and members interactions. Now, we've got on the top here a bit of a heat map where we're showing member-to-member interactions, but even more importantly is the ability to show over time the ebbing and flowing of a team's progress. By the size of the circle here, that's an indication of their activity. So I'm just going to play that for you now. And you'll notice over time, there you go. For example, we've been doing a lot with tyGraph for Teams. There's a lot more I'd love to show you. Come by the booth here, 1348 at Ignite 2018. We'll see you soon.